Adivasi Mela is a 70-year-old tribal festival, and this is the oldest tribal festival of the country. It was started in 1951 in Cuttack, and after the capital city of Odisha shifted to Bhubaneswar, it shifted in 1954. It was initially done for a period of 7 days, but from 2010 onwards, the Honorable Chief Minister has extended it from 7 days to 15 days. Till 2017, this Mela was happening in this Adivasi exhibition ground, but because of the large footfall, it got shifted to IDCO exhibition ground from 2018. And we have come back to this place again amidst COVID pandemics. Precisely, the IDCO exhibition ground was full and there was no space, hence we came back to this year, to this place. This year we are doing Adivasi exhibition, same for 15 days period from 26th January to 9th of February, in a hybrid mode. When I say hybrid, we have reduced the number of stalls from about 300 odd to 90 stalls this time here, where only tribal women SHG members are participating and they have brought their tribal products. And when I say hybrid mode, we are also doing it in a virtual mode so that visitor can get a feel of what is happening in Adivasi Mela sitting at home. They can also make marketing sitting at home through digital marketing platform that has been provided. And this year we have restricted the entry to the visitors without registration. So one has to register in order to come to the exhibition ground, and we have kept a slot of 3,000 for each hour. And the Mela normally starts at 2 o'clock and it continues till 9 o'clock. But this year it is held from 11 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening. As you know, this is pandemic period, COVID pandemic. So during this pandemic period, we have adopted a number of standard operating procedure where we ensure that COVID guidelines are strictly adhered. You can see we are ensuring that the mask is wear by everybody when they enter into the arena. We have also ensured that the temperature, body temperature is tested. Only if it is fine, it is within the normal range, we allow people to get in. And we have kept hand sanitizer everywhere. We ensure that hand sanitizer is used by the visitors. And we also see that they maintain social distancing. And whenever we find that there is a rush somewhere, we ensure that the rush is removed, by requesting people. And we also find at times people do not use mask. We are also ensuring that they use mask. So these are some of the things that we have been following, and we find that people are very keen to come and do their shopping as they used to do before. But because of the COVID restrictions and restrictions of number of entries into the ground and availability of platform from where digitally they can make purchase, the number of visitors are restricted to 3,000. The tribal women who wait for this, Adivasi exhibition once in a year, and they prepare their products and they package it and bring it to sell it, have also not been disappointed. They have come, and they have come with lot of energy and lot of happiness you see in their face. The marketing is, if you look at the marketing, quite a good marketing is done, and they expect that their entire product which they have brought can be sold out by the end of Adivasi Mela. आदिवासी मेलार बहुत पुराना इतिहास। आदिवासी मेला 1951 मसीह ओडिशा प्रथम थर पे हला एवं एटा ओडिशा समग्र भारत वर्षर सर्वपुरातन आदिवासी मेला। 1954 मसीह भुवनेश्वर होछि, ता पूर्व कटक रे होथला। एटा होछि 70तम वर्ष जेबे कि आदिवासी मेला होछि। आदिवासी मेला आगुरु 7 दिन पे होथला, जनवरी 26 रु 7 दिन धरिकी किंतु 2010 मसीह यहाँ 15 दिन धरिकी होउछि। ये आदिवासी मेला रे 62टा एक आदिवासी संप्रदायर एवं 13टी पीवीटीजी ये लोक पार्टिसिपेट करिथान्ते। ए वर्ष कोविड कटकणा जो ये 15 दिन मेला जदिओ होउछि एटा एते बड़ आकार हो नहीं। एथे मात्र 90टी स्टॉल आमे करिछु जो थे कि आदिवासी स्वयं सहायक गोष्ठीर माँ मैंने आसिछन्ते एवं तांकर प्रोडक्ट बिक्री करुछन्ते। आपण देखिथिबे विगत वर्ष मानकरे आमे आदिवासी गाँ करू, गवर्नमेंट स्टॉल रो गोटे सेक्शन करू, आदिवासी खाद्य करथाउ, ए सब सेक्शन ए वर्ष हो नहीं। किंतु ए आदिवासी मेला को अधिका फुटफॉल करबा पय आमे वर्चुअल मोड रो मध्य सहायता नैछु। ये जो वर्चुअल मोड रो सहायता नैछु सेथिरे आपण जणे वेबसाइट को जाइकरी आदिवासी मेला रो झलक देखि परिबो, आदिवासी मानकर लाइफ एवं कल्चर विषय मध्य अवगत हो पारिबो। ता छड़ा आदिवासी मेला को फिजिकली तो एथर विदाउट रजिस्ट्रेशन आसीबा संभव नुह, रजिस्ट्रेशन मध्य ऑनलाइन रे करि पारिबो। ता छड़ा आपण ए आदिवासी मेला रो आउ गोटे बड़ महत्व हला ए वर्चुअल टूर वर्चुअल मोड माध्यम रे आपण किणा बिका मध्य करि पारिबे। वर्चुअल मोड माध्यम रे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग माध्यम रे सो आपण घरे थाइकरी आदिवासी मेला रो मध्य झलक पाई पारिबे। आदिवासी मेला रे बिक्री होथिबा सामग्री मध्य आपण किनि पारिबे। आमे ए जो आदिवासी मेला कोविड कटकणा माध्यम रे करूछु से कोविड कटकणा भितरे आमे रखिछु जे कहीं एंट्री करिवे आमे तांकर थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग करेबु, तांकर देखिबु जे से माने मास्क पिन्धिचंती, हैंड सैनिटाइजर दबु। आमे मेलार पूरा पड़िया भितरे 5-6 जगह आमे स्टैंडी करिछु जो जगह आपण हाथ मध्य हैंड वॉश मध्य करि परिबे सैनिटाइजर माध्यम रे। एवं आपण देखि परिबे आमे दुकान भितरे आमे 6 फुट मध्य व्यवधान रखिछु जो थे कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग आपण पालन करि परिबे एसओपी। आउ इम्पोर्टेंट जिनस हला आपण जतिके हमर पड़ियार स्पेस अच्छी से पड़िया स्पेस भीतर 50% आमे खाली रखिछु। जदि आपण देखिबे पड़िया रे लोक 7 रु 8 हजार लोक यातायात करि परिबे किंतु आमे 3000 रु अधिका कोनोसी समय रे आमे विजिटर्स मानकु न रखिबार प्रावधान करिछु। माँ मानकर जो ओरिजिनल ट्राइबल प्रोडक्ट नेकरी आसीचंती ताकू बहुत आग्रह प्रकाश करछंती लोक माने एवं भल बिक्री भटा होछि एवं आमे आशा करूछु ए 15 दिन मेला भितरे से माने जहाँ किछि जिनस आनिचंती ताहा सब बिक्री हेजिबो एवं से माने खुशी रे तांको घर को फेरी पारिबे एवं कटकणा माध्यम रे मध्य लोक माने ए आदिवासी मेला रो मजा नै पारिबे सही आशा करिकरी आमे 2021 आदिवासी मेला को करिछु। धन्यवाद।